fix desktop frozen, can't click anything on the desktop. So if your desktop is frozen, if you are not being able to click anything on your desktop, then let's see how we can fix this issue. The simple and easy method to fix this issue is press Ctrl Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. This will open up the task manager. After opening your task manager, you just need simply scroll down and you need to look for an application, which is Windows Explorer. Or if your mouse is also stuck, if it's not working, then you can use your arrow keys on your keyboard. So you just need simply find the Windows Explorer. Once you find the Windows Explorer, you just need simply right click on your Windows Explorer. Once you right click, you need to go with End Task. And after ending the task, you need to just go back and then go with Run a New Task and enter the command, which is explorer.exe, and then hit the enter. Now you'll be able to click on the icons again. Your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.